Taylor Swift is a dominant brand, leading the industry for over 15 years with her loyal fan base. She recently released her 10th studio album, Midnights, on Spotify, crashing the site seconds after it launched, breaking Spotify record for the most album streams in a single day. And before her album release, she released several TikTok videos that generated over 131 million views. And her worldwide tour, The Eras, well, that broke Ticketmaster records with over 3.5 million people pre-registered, the largest in its history. When you build a loyal fan base, customers are no longer customers. They're advocates, ambassadors, and loyalists. When customers find a brand they trust and love, everything changes. I'm Lisa Perry, a 20-year brand marketing veteran. I've worked with Fortune 100 companies to emerging growth startups, helping them build their leadership brand. Check out my link for my book on how to develop a brand strategy.